Nasiruddin Shah, Om Puri, Sanjay Leela Bansali, Rajkumar Rao, Rajkumar Hirani. But what's the one thing that connects all of them? And what if that place which crafted their skill comes to you? What if the epitome of filmmaking, the institute that has been setting the standard for Indian cinema for last 66 years, the one and only Film and Television Institute of India, FTII, arrives at Chandigarh University just to teach you the finesse of filmmaking. Not for a day, not for a workshop, but for an ongoing learning experience that will transform your passion into profession. 6 powerful domains. One legendary learning experience. So if you are a student or a staff, you need to act fast because seats are extremely limited. Apply now.